Hi everyone, welcome to Themes Code. Today, I'm going to show you the 6 best Dokan multi-vendor plugin compatible WooCommerce themes. If you plan to launch a new marketplace business website based on the Dokan plugin, you can think about the themes we are going to recommend in this video. From our real-life working experience and analyzing the features, we have handpicked the 6 best Dokan compatible themes. So, let's get started. Marketo. Marketo theme is specially designed for multi-purpose, multi-vendor e-commerce website. It provides you with more than 11 WooCommerce-based e-commerce templates. They are mainly focusing on 3 major niches: electronics, organic, and fashion. So, if you are interested to create a website on any of these categories, Marketo will be the go-to theme for you. You will get ready-made design templates for furniture, grocery, auto parts, wash, shoe, eyeglass, jewelry, electronics, organic. You can customize the demo templates with the Elementor drag and drop feature. For better search experience, an Ajax search is included on the header area. You get 8 varieties of header designs to create a unique header section. You can experience well-designed vertical and horizontal mega menus. Now, you can create and edit Slider Revolution banner easily. No need to purchase Slider Revolution separately. Box Shop theme. Box Shop is an amazing, well-designed WordPress WooCommerce theme. Box Shop theme presents 8 outstanding different home pages. For example, supermarket, electronic, houseware, furniture, glasses, shoes, organic. Box Shop integrates with WP Bakery page builders. Its drag and drop interface saves you time to design a new web page. There are 7 outstanding customizable header sections with built-in mega menus. Box Shop nicely presents a couple of layouts for the shop page. Layout with filter button, layout with sidebar. Let's see the single product page. Here, a vertical thumbnail slider shows the product variations. Here you see product pop-up video can be shown. These are the product tabs. Another slider is horizontal thumbnail slider. You can consider this theme for having popular categorized demos. Electro. Electro is one of the most flexible WooCommerce themes. This theme is the best choice for multi-vendor marketplace solutions because several multi-vendor plugins are supported, including Dokan multi-vendor plugin. So, it provides more than 12 specially designed pages for the multi-vendor marketplace website. Electro also provides 12 homepage demos. You can customize all the demos using either Elementor or WP Bakery Page Builder. For multi-vendor website developed with Dokan plugin, Electro theme comes with 5 templates for vendor list and 5 exclusive templates for vendor profile. You have light and dark mode on this product page to view the product efficiently. A number of customizable header styles are included in the Electro theme. Besides, it has 9 different predefined color palettes. You have well-made horizontal mega menu. Not only horizontal, but also you can get a nice vertical mega menu. Moreover, a well-structured off-canvas is included in this theme. Besides, this theme powers the following features: product compare, and order tracking. If your business is mainly focused on selling electronic goods, Electro theme will be the best choice as it is a specialized theme for developing electronics product e-commerce multi-vendor website. eLab. eLab helps you to create a beautiful and professional e-commerce website and multi-vendor marketplace. eLab theme provides 9 demo templates such as grocery store, auto parts, medical, trendy furniture, strong electronics, and modern electronics. You can start your marketplace using any of the templates according to your business perspective. eLab theme has its own page builder called XBuilder to design a complete website. Therefore, you won't have to depend on any third-party page builders like Elementor, WP Bakery, etc. So, it can save you from extra expenses. You get a couple of templates to design a shop page. This is full with shop page. This page shows products in both grid and list view. Product pages consist of varieties of layouts and styles to display the product in multiple angles and frames. eLab provides some awesome header design to present your website to the next level. eLab presents advanced live search. As the user inputs in the search field, the search results appear instantly. It also presents an outstanding and customizable mega drop-down menu. Sidebar category menu items comes followed by flat icons that makes the menu items more user-friendly. eLab has come up with a new feature for the Dokan plugin. In the Shop Mega Menu, Dokan Dashboard option is found under WooCommerce. On this page, vendors can register and log in to their accounts. eLab theme provides you with a wonderful portfolio as well. eLab is perfectly compatible with the Dokan plugin. However, you can make a complete multi-vendor electronics-based e-commerce website using the combination of Dokan and eLab. Copy theme. Copy is a clean and minimal responsive WooCommerce theme for WordPress. The copy theme is suitable for any type of online store, including fashion, furniture, electronics, and accessories. Therefore, copy has made 14 home pages. Notable among them are electronics layout, Dokan Marketplace, WC Marketplace, WC Vendor Marketplace, WCFM Front-End Manager, and RTL layout. All these demos are customizable with WP Bakery Page Builder. Vendor management is very important in any online multi-vendor marketplace. You will get special templates for vendor store and vendor element. Copy saves your money because you don't need to purchase any third-party software to display a product variations by its color and image. You can swatch color labels and images of the product using copy theme. Bot together analyze data on which product a customer is more interested in buying. With this theme, you can display frequently bought together products in your WooCommerce shop. It will increase sales by promoting cross-sell items. Quick Buy feature simplifies the checkout process. It redirects the customer to the checkout page instantly without going to the cart page. To get features like multi-step checkout page, web developers need to purchase third-party plugins. In case of copy theme, you will get it as a built-in feature. So, it's a great save on your expenses, isn't it? I must say the UX and UI design of the single product page is fantastic. All sorts of details are available on this page about the product. In addition, the showcasing of product is excellent. Products can be seen from different angles and colors, zoom in and zoom out. You can also see the sale countdown, sale boosting. You can create any kind of mega menu on the copy theme. You can customize the existing mega menu and create complicated layouts for mega menu. Finally, it's a go-to theme for making a multi-vendor website. Store. One of the most outstanding multi-vendor WooCommerce themes I would like to introduce to you is the Store theme. Store tries to cover all the features that you need to develop a WordPress multi-vendor marketplace e-commerce website. Store provides 100 plus awesome pre-built websites of various business categories. You might find a great match for your business niche. As you are going to develop a multi-vendor marketplace based on Dokan plugin, you can use this multi-vendor pre-built website template, which is especially designed for the Dokan plugin. Store has a library of more than 350 ready-made sections. If you don't like any section of your selected template, you can look for that section in Store Studio and replace the old section with a new one. It's a great way to make your design unique. If you purchase this theme, no need to worry about web page design because Store is fully compatible with the most popular page builders like Elementor and WP Bakery. To make your header section very beautiful and dynamic, you can use horizontal, vertical, slide mega menu. How searched information is displayed is important for any multi-vendor e-commerce website. Optimized and live search results makes viewers interested in browsing an e-commerce website for a long time. Store provides a very good powerful search mechanism so that customers can easily find their desired product. Store provides the much needed white label feature which is very important for company branding through the website. WP Canvas features has been added to the Store theme. If you have off-canvas checkout page on your e-commerce website, the customer can add multiple products to the cart without leaving the page. They can see the cart details on the same page. The Access Store theme gives you the most tempting offer that can save you $510 US. By purchasing Access Store, you will get this useful WordPress premium plugins. Therefore, the Dokan plugin and Access Store theme is a great combination. Verdicts. We have deeply analyzed the features of each theme. We found all the above-mentioned themes have rich features for creating Dokan plugin-based multi-vendor website. However, you should check the links of all themes in the description to find the best one which meets your requirements. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys can make the right choice to select your required theme for your Dokan plugin. So guys, finally, I'm leaving now. Have a great day.